I'm good, Sarge.
821 the rock, 1097.
I'm 21, 10-4, 955.
I don't know. Maybe in the eye of the window.
It's right here.
86, the rock, 1040, clear to the half.
Well, what all you think you got?
What's that, Sarge?
Your wrecker out here, huh?
Yes, sir. It's overheating. He came back and after I TV'd him, couldn't slow down fast enough. He got me.
Yeah.
He took the ditch. Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm good. My boots aren't.
Do we work this report? Do we do this? Yeah, we'll work the... I'll work the export on the grass. Okay. Y'all gonna get a record for that? Yeah. Y'all gonna get your own record for that? We'll see if our record's available. That's probably not. If not, I think Jay will have our sponsors for free. So I'll go ahead. Yeah.
I'm 23 the rock.
I'm 23.
Riders on the roadway, 1019.
I'm 23, 10-4, 357.
Hey, 59 the road. Tell me 97. Also, we're going to need margin.
Do we need a call to 16?
We don't need a 16. Are you good?
I'm fine.
That's negative. Also, accident.
Kind of had to ram the back of him. I wanted to take him out before we got up there to the interchange.
Oh, you just had to you went with him?
Well, no. I got a decent TVI on him at first. He almost got it corrected, so whenever I got right back up on him, I just kind of hit him in the back.
Sure you don't need... Good, but the window?
Yeah.
Knock my tile.
Hey, Johnson, I'm going to see if our record's still...
Did y'all call for a director or no?
We called one for ourselves. So I think Sarge talked to somebody, said y'all were going to call y'all done.
171.
He started 10-11. What'd he say?
License or something, but he'll have a license or something.
I'm going. You right? Good.
I got blood all over.
Oh, Hill. You remember me from Lonoke County?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, brother. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Hadn't seen you in a long time.
Hey, towel, man. See a towel?
You can go home and check it, man. You go to the phone, make it the car before you lose it.
Good idea.
Need anything?
New car? Well, for them to fix this one.
Huh?
It really wouldn't have been that bad if I wouldn't have had to come down that embankment. Once he lost it, I tried to slow down, but I couldn't slow down fast enough. He came back into me.
Let's see if you want me to go ahead and see if the ASP record's available?
I already said I got my started.
I might get the headquarters if it don't get too hot. You know?
We'll get you up to headquarters and find you a car and let you go home and take care of yourself.
Get cleaned up.
Change.
Yeah.
He would have to crash to the mud pit there, huh?
Yeah.
Did you get cut or is that?
Yeah.
Oh, boy.
I think I got one here somewhere.